Well, good Lord, no wonder the brakes didn't work. The discs have rusted themselves into the cavities. I did manage to get them to budge a little bit with some compressed air. Should be able to pull them out and rebuild them. Yep, see you in a few. Wow, now that looks absolutely disgusting. Hopefully I can clean that up. Alrighty, I got this thing broke loose. I used my jet cleaning tools, ramrodded it out. It's now clean and flowing air, which will be a good thing. Alrighty guys, it's all clean and sanitary and rebuilt. Yes. Once again, these pucks from sitting on the motorcycle under a shed for like 7 years, they got all gummed up, wouldn't move. And the seals were the same way. So I got a Cycle Pro rebuild kit for the front caliper and the back caliper. They're all rebuilt. And next thing you know, I will be bleeding these brakes out, guys. So yeah, rebuilt caliper. Sounds pretty fucking good to me.